This will be for the con assignment, comparing data displays. So Leo owns a hostel and counted the number of guests staying in each room. He then created a histogram and a dot plot to display the data. Which display can be used to find that there were 2 rooms without guests? All right, let's see. I might have to make this smaller. 2 rooms without guests. Well, here you can't see if they had 0 guests, because this is from 0 to 3. So this could be anywhere from 0 to 3. But if you look at the dot plot and it says number of guests, we can clearly see here 0 guests. There were 2 rooms that had 0. So the dot plot is better for that. Okay. So the dot plot makes it easier to see. Oh, no. 2 rooms without guests is for the dot plot. All right. Which display makes it easier to see the clusters and gaps in the data? All right, let's see. Hard to see clusters and gaps here because each of these bars represents a range of numbers. Okay, but on the dot plot, we can see where there's gaps and where there's clusters. Okay, this is a gap. This is a gap here. So again, the dot plot is easier to see the clusters and gaps. So that's answer B. All right, Sal counted the number of songs on each album. He then created a dot plot and a box plot to display the same data. Which display makes it easier to see that the median is 10 songs? Well, here, we would have to find the median by counting the dots. But if you go to the box and whisker plot, remember we said on the box and whisker plot, this line right here is the median. Okay, so on this one, we can clearly see the median is 10. All right, so the box and whisker makes it easier to see the median. Okay, it's box plot is what it's really box and whisker, but they just called it a box plot. All right, second question, which display allows us to see that the mode is 10 songs? Okay, remember we said the mode is the one that occurs the most often. All right, remember the M and the O, most often. So let's see if we can see where the mode is 10 songs. Well, clearly the dot plot is better for that because we can see the peak right here. Okay, the mode is 10. So that is the dot plot. Okay, here we have the mass of each pumpkin to the nearest tenth of a kilogram. We have a histogram and a box plot. Okay, which display can be used to find how many pumpkins had mass below 6 kilograms? Let's see. Well, here on the histogram, this one is for 6 to 8.9. Okay, so we can count this section right here as the ones below 6. So the histogram is good. For this, we can see there's some below 6, but we can't see how many. So the box plot's no good. The histogram is better. That's answer A. Which display can be used to find that the median mass was 8 kilograms? All right. So here you'd have to count to find the median. But on the box plot, we already said this line here is the median, and you can clearly see it's 8. So the box plot is much better for the median. All right. All right, so here we have a realtor and the house prices. She recorded the area of each house and then created 2 histograms. Histogram A shows the data using a bin width of 50, and B shows the same data with a bin width of 100. Okay. So this, for each one, it goes from it's 50 units from left to right, and this one here, it's 100 units from left to right. So which one can be used to find how many houses had areas less than 150? Okay, here we can see where 150 is, so we can see the number of houses less than 150. On this one, we definitely can't. So that is histogram A. All right, one answer only. And that's it.